my channel. Today I'm very excited for unboxing this one. Today I'm unboxing Lego City Mars Exploration set. Its number is 60266. It's actually available on Flipkart right now for 2099 rupees, and it's a very cheap price for it, and you can get it now. Purchase link down below. Okay, alright, let's start unboxing this. So we have some tapes here. Let's just open the tapes. Open this. Now let's just open this. Okay, so we'll just open it. Good. Okay, let's open this. Pretty nice packaging. You can see all the mini bricks here. Okay, we have some bags in there. Take out all the contents. That's it for the contents. Okay, so here we have bag number 1, bag number 2, and bag number 3. We have a mini booklet, I think so, for the smaller things here, and we have the bigger booklet. And yep, that's it. So let's start opening these bags. Okay, so let's start opening the bags. Let's start opening bag number 1. Okay, nice tear. Oh, small pieces. Oh, looks like we have got some pretty nice pieces here. Let's open bag number 2. And that's also a nice tear. Oh, looks like we got some smaller pieces, smaller bags too. Let's put all the smaller bags open. Shiny piece. Now let's open bag number 3. Oh, and we have another small bag. Wonder how many bags are there in total. There are so many bags. Lots of plastic waste there. Let's just move on. Okay, so these are all the pieces we can get. There's a nice windshield kind of thing for the rocket. We have very pretty nice pieces, and we have some big pieces too. So let's build and lower it. Built it. So here we have a nice big shuttle here. It's so cool, and the outside is so smooth. And here we have some kind of container mini rocket thingy. Here we have some Mars rover. It can just go through rough surfaces because it has good tires. Then we have this drone. This drone actually scans some languages and stuff. And the drone looks pretty cool. Then we have these 2 minifigures. There's an astronaut here, which looks very detailed. Here we have some oxygen cylinders. Then we have this space suit. This is actually a girl. Just got to know it's a girl. So, and we have this guy. This guy is actually going to fly this thing. So that's why this guy was connected. Hey. Okay. So now let's review all these things. Okay, so here we have some kind of treasure kind of thingy. It has actual diamonds. It's actually glitter and plastic. Looks pretty cool. I don't think so you'll see it from camera, but it looks very cool. And here we have some kind of code. I think so this might need this, so that anyone can read. Oh, looks so nice. This is a special kind of sticker. So yeah, that's it for this. And what I like about this is this color. This color is also there in the Martian atmosphere. The Mars looks like this only, this color. So that's what good about this. And here we have this robo kind of thingy. Actually, this has a flexible rubber band so that it can just snap like that. So I think so this is used for this. So you just take this, it just snaps it. And the thing about this robot is it has some kind of solar panel, I think so, for like energy and like giving signals. We have some kind of laser cutting thingy. I think so it is used for cutting this. And it has nice tires. Some blue kind of dot thingy types. And pretty smooth here. And let me show you how it picks up all these diamonds. Okay, so it has some flexible arm here so that it can pick it up nicely. So it just picks it up like that. That's it. See? Simple. Oh, it fell down. Whatever. So now the top of this rocket comes here. So here we have an openable drawer kind of thingy. So this thing will just put this sample which it has found even here. So that now this rocket is going to actually go up and then come back to this rocket. We'll show you that a bit later. Okay. So now comes the job of this drone. So this drone just actually reads this thing. So some pilot comes and just sees it. Some astronaut comes and just sees it. So that's it. Now the job of this has come to an end. Now let's see what is this actually doing. So it just flies, and then there's an openable hatch here. You can just open this, and then it just comes back here. And then the actual pilot just opens that and just studies that here. This guy studies it. So yeah, that's it. The functions of that. Yeah. The minifigures are very cool. They are nicely designed. Now I'm talking about the actual thing. This is huge. I like to say this is so huge, and it is pretty heavy. Just like the box, it is very heavy. So we have some cool stickers here, very nice, and we have here also some stickers. We put some stickers here also so that. And this is actually, you can bend it like this to make it look even more cool. Then here we have the big booster thingy. Yeah, let's look at the front now. And this is the best design I've ever saw in any Lego set. This is actually, you can see some window areas where you can see who is actually driving this thing. So we just put this guy in this. Just move this. And here we have some space for this guys to sit. Here we have some controlling. You can control the shuttle from here. That's pretty cool. Let's just put him inside. That's it. He's now gonna drive this thing. And for the final part, we'll just put this astronaut here. Oh, let me show you the interiors of this. There I put one sticker here, and the insides part is so good. They're so detailed and nice. So we just put this guy here. Yep. Now we'll just close it. Okay. So that's it. Here we can see some like designs inside. I think it's a fuselage. Just close that behind that. Yeah. Now let's look under it. Let's see what's under. So here we have some wheels. Actually it's for landing and taking off. I don't know what this piece for. I have no idea. But these pieces are very useful. You can just take off like this. Boom. Yep. That's it for this set. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.